Hello everyone, welcome to the HSK2 standard course lesson 3, and today is the last part of lesson 3, and today we will focus on the grammar part. Today I will lead you to two grammar parts of lesson 3. Now let's just get started with number 1. Okay, grammar part 1. The phrase. Okay, now let's look at this explanation. I think this is more accurate. So the can be used after a pronoun, an adjective, or a verb to form a phrase which is equivalent to a nominal phrase with its head word omitted. So I think you know something from this explanation. Now let's focus on more examples. I think examples make more sense. Alright, first one. Okay, first one. In English we say this is not my book. This is not my book. And in Chinese we say 这本书不是我的 So this book is not mine. 这本书不是我的 You see here, 我的 this sentence ends with the, but this time there's nothing missing after 我的 because the subject is 书 and so does the object. So if you see the subject and the object are the same, then in this sentence you don't need to put something after the. Okay, you just say 这本书不是我的 something is mine or something is not mine. It works. And now I need you to look at this example. See this one? If you only say this sentence 不是我的 not mine. If you only say this sentence to a person, and it is definitely not making any sense. But in this case, see, in this case, is this book yours? 这本书是你的吗? Is this book yours? And now you can say 不是我的 it's not mine. So here in this case, something is missing here, and that is 这本书 because you can see this sentence it doesn't have a subject nor object. Okay, this time it works. So the point is you have to put this short sentence in a context and you don't use it alone. Okay. This is the example 1. Now let's take a look on the example 2. See, I bought this cup yesterday. 这个杯子 this cup 是 is 昨天 yesterday 买的 bought okay, this cup is yesterday bought. So in English we say I bought this cup yesterday. Alright. You see, now if we say 我昨天买的 that means I bought yesterday. I bought yesterday. 买的 this sentence also ends with the, but this one it doesn't work because this is a single sentence and there's no context. I mean the object is not mentioned. So you can't use this sentence alone unless in this context. When did you buy this cup? 你什么时候买的杯子 When did you bought this cup? I bought it yesterday. 我昨天买的 You see, same sentence. But if you use a sentence alone, it doesn't make any sense. But if you use it in a conversation, it is correct. Okay, I think this one it's not difficult. So this is for the grammar part 1. And now let's move to the grammar part 2. So grammar part 2, we will focus on this one, 一下. So 一下 is used after a verb to indicate a short action. It just means a short action. I think this one is so easy. So I will just show you some examples and then that's all. Okay. Alright, so you see the form is subject with a verb and then with 一下. Okay, example 1. 我看一下. So I see for a short action or for a short time. So basically we can say let me see. That's the translation in English. Let me see. Okay, let me see. So 一下 is used here just means I see something for a short time, or maybe just a quiet look. I mean just a quick look, sorry. Alright, example 2. 你休息一下. You take a rest for a short time. 一下 Okay, you take a rest. That's the English version. And here's a tip that I like to tell you all. So 一下 can be used after almost every single verb in Chinese if you want. So which means these two examples without 一下, these two they all work. It doesn't affect the meaning of these two sentences. Okay, so you can either say 我看一下 or 我看. For this sentence, you can say 你休息一下 or 你休息. It doesn't affect the meaning. So that's all for grammar part 2. I believe these grammars of lesson 3, they are just so easy for you. So that's all, and I will see you next time.